Hey guys, we wanted to talk about WhatsApp this week. We've been using it very extensively at Shop 2 and on Whistlebend to chat. So we have a chat for Shop 2 where the guys can share their test results and any problems they're having. And then for the mechanical room on Whistlebend, we've created a chat with Joe and all of the foremen on site who are installing the pipe. And we've also included all of the Revit guys directly. So there's constant communication between the site and the foreman, myself and the Revit team. Thanks guys.